Healthy foods high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are anti-inflammatory compounds that are in the body and present in many foods. They help to prevent damage to cells by stopping free radicals in their tracks. Free radicals are harmful molecules that cause damage to parts of the cells like DNA, cell membranes, and proteins. When free radicals accumulate, this leads to a state in the body called oxidative stress. Chronic oxidative stress can lead to many chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Antioxidants help neutralize the free radicals in the body, protecting it from oxidative stress. However, you don't have to invest in supplements to get antioxidants. Many foods that you're already eating, primarily fruits, vegetables, gluten-free grains, and other sources of antioxidants. Eating antioxidant-rich foods helps to protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce risk of disease. So, what are some foods that are high in antioxidants? Many foods that are high in antioxidants are extremely healthy and necessary for optimal health. Food number one, berries. Berries are extraordinarily high in antioxidants like resveratrol and anthocyanins. Because of their high nutrient profile, they may help reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. There is also research to suggest that berries may help prevent cognitive declines that occur with aging. Include all types of berries into your diet as often as possible. Number two, cherries. Cherries are high in different antioxidants, including polyphenols, melatonin, quercetin, and flavonoids like anthocyanin. Cherries help to reduce inflammation in the body, and some research suggests that cherry juice may help to reduce soreness after exercise. Because of their high antioxidant properties, preliminary research suggests that cherries may be excellent for heart health too. Food number three, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are extremely high in antioxidant-rich flavonoids that help with reducing risk of heart disease and decreasing inflammation. The health benefits of citrus fruits are lengthy, starting with their high vitamin C, potassium, calcium, essential B vitamins, and magnesium. Food number four, prunes. Prunes contain antioxidants such as polyphenols. According to studies, prunes may help to reduce and promote the clearing of free radicals in the body. Research suggests that prunes may also promote bone health and may even reduce risk factors of cardiovascular disease. Prunes are also high in essential vitamins A, K, riboflavin, and niacin. Food number five, olives. Olives contain a plethora of antioxidants, including tocopherols, also known as vitamin E, quercetin, lutein, olenolic acid, and many more. Studies suggest that olive oil may have anti-cancer properties. However, there needs to be more research in humans to confirm this. Food number six, green and black tea. Green and black tea are full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, including polyphenols, catechins, and flavonoids. You can get these benefits from green tea like matcha or regular green tea and black teas like oolong, ceylon, and more. The antioxidants in tea help to neutralize free radicals and reduce chronic oxidative stress, which can increase the risk of disease. Green tea is also particularly helpful at decreasing blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and strokes. Food number seven, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice with many notable health benefits, including its high content of antioxidants. One major antioxidant component in cinnamon is polyphenols. It's extremely easy to include cinnamon in your daily diet. Food number eight, turmeric. Turmeric is another type of spice originating from India with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, particularly curcumin. In addition, turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that curcumin may be effective at reducing the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Food number nine, holy basil. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is an herbal adaptogen that has anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants. This is a traditional herbal medicine that has been used in Ayurvedic practices for centuries. Studies suggest that tulsi may help to stabilize blood sugars, lower cholesterol, and blood pressure, but more research may be needed. Food number 10, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the healthiest cruciferous vegetables to consume. High in the antioxidant lutein, broccoli is a superb choice to add to your diet. Lutein is important for eye health, and it can even help protect against excess blue light that you get from computer and phone screens. Broccoli has strong antioxidant properties along with a long list of nutrients necessary for optimal health. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta carotene, an important antioxidant. Beta carotene is converted in the body into vitamin A. Vitamin A is an essential component to maintain eye health and the immune system. The properties in carrots protect you against free radicals and enhance your chance of warding off disease. Ginger. Ginger is full of beneficial antioxidants. There is also evidence that shows that ginger may lower the risk for colon cancer. Some evidence suggests that ginger helps to improve digestive health, reduce inflammation, and can act as a treatment for nausea. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has many antioxidants that are part of a family of compounds called polyphenols. The gel from the aloe leaf may help with blood sugar control and lower cholesterol, and it also can help heal sunburns when applied topically to the skin. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is a powerful health food with many antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and glutathione. It is also naturally high in chlorophyll, which is a green pigment in plants. Chlorophyll is another antioxidant that is extremely helpful in reducing oxidative stress on the body, decreasing inflammation, and preventing many chronic diseases. Antioxidants are necessary to include in your regular diet. They neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals build up in the body, leading to chronic oxidative stress. This type of chronic stress can increase risk for developing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Luckily, many of the foods in our diets are rich in antioxidants, primarily fruits, vegetables, and foods that I've mentioned in this video. Try to eat a diet full of antioxidants, and good luck.